The new Golf GTE is supposed to include a sustainable factor in sporty driving. Its electric range lasts about 50 km and it is powered by two engines, a 150 horsepower petrol TSI and the electric drive with 102 horsepower, so 204 HP in total. The figure for the O2 100 Sprint for Europeans or O2 60 MP8 Sprint for our fellows in the States is at 7.6 seconds. And we can prove that with our first exclusive real-life test. In general, the GTE just feels like a normal Golf, just with the electric extra boost.